The WORX 20V circular saw is designed to make straight cuts effortlessly, thanks to its innovative features. Its unique split shoe design enhances cutting precision and visibility, allowing users to achieve accurate results. The saw's lightweight construction does not compromise its power, providing the necessary force for smooth and steady cuts. A flush mount blade design improves user control and visibility, making it easier to follow precise cutting lines. With the WORX PowerShare platform, you can conveniently swap batteries between tools, enhancing versatility for various projects. The tool's easy-to-use bevel gauge allows for precise angle adjustments, making it suitable for diverse cutting needs.